Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable answer calls automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, tap on answering and ending calls. Then tap on the answering call automatically. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Once you turn it on, you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here you can choose the time. The phone will wait before it will automatically answer the call. By default, it is set to after 2 seconds. You could also choose 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or select a custom time. And it automatically answer incoming calls after a set time while a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. So for the phone to answer call automatically, you need to use a headset, a headphone, or earbuds, or a Bluetooth connected device. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.